friends, welcome back to the new video. If you are the new viewer on my channel, so firstly subscribe my channel and like the video. So today's video title is how to on screenshot sound in Redmi. So let us start our video. Firstly scroll up and move to the setting icon. Here you will see, click on that. You will see many options. Scroll up some more and click on the sound and vibration option. Here you will see, click on that. You will see many options. Scroll up and click on the additional setting option. Here you will see, click on that. You will see many sounds. I want to on screenshot sound option. So firstly on screenshot sound in this way. So it means that it produce sound when we taking or capture the screenshot. I will show you result by example. Screenshot is captured and it produce sound. So it means that in this way screenshot sound is on in our mobile phone in this way. So I hope this video helps you. So please subscribe my channel and like the video. Thank you so much for watching our video.